And on to foreign experts' view on the latest series of events today surrounding the Inter-Korean Joint Industrial Complex in Kaesong. Dr. Kim Hyun-wook, professor at Korean National Diplomatic Academy, joins us live in the studio. Professor Kim, welcome to the program.
Thank you very much.
Now, the two Koreas now appear to be in for some tit-for-tat escalation of measures. At this point, North Korea vowed that, or expelled all South Korean personnel from the Kaesong Industrial Complex and vowed to freeze all the assets left there, which will be equipment and inventory and all those things for South Korean companies. What are North Korea's intentions at this point?
Well, this is very harsh and strong measures by North Korea. I think this kind of crisis atmosphere is something that North Korea clearly has some intentions about. First intention is that recently, Kim Jong-un purged another high-level military officer, which means that still his power is not completely solid yet. So I think, by making some crisis atmosphere domestically, I think he's now still trying to consolidate his power. I think he has some more intentions vis-à-vis China. Recently, by international community's pressure on China to pose more harsh sanctions on North Korea, I think North Korea is giving some signs to China. Hey, if you give us some sanctions, if China is not on the side of North Korea, maybe the Korean Peninsula would be, experiencing another instability, which is a big concern for China. And also, there might be some signals to the United States, too. Recently, U.S. Senate has passed a bill which includes very strong sanction measures vis-à-vis North Korea. There is a widespread mood in the U.S. Congress and Senate that the Obama government's strategic patience has been a failure. Mm-hmm. So I think this kind of, strong measures which is against the strategic patience, is some kinds of things that North Korea is trying to make inside the United States. The anti-movement, anti-failing vis-à-vis strategic patience policy of the Obama government.
So basically a message both internally within North Korea and message to overseas as well. Mm-hmm, mm-hmm. Was South Korea expecting such level of move, and so quickly as well?
Well, it has been very abrupt. I know this is something that is very surprising thing. But this kinds of tit-for-tat move by North Korea is something that I think would have been expected. When there was a Kumgang Mountain tourism thing, resumption dialogue, the dialogue was halted, and afterwards North Korea froze its assets inside the Kumgang Mountain tourism area. And also in 2013, when there was third nuclear test of North Korea and U.S.-South Korea military exercises, North Korea at that time also frozen the assets within the Kaesong complex. So I think this kind of response from North Korea is something that the Korean government has expected.
Right, as a freeze, you mentioned Mount Kumgang incident and North Korea's seizure of all South Korean assets there back in 2010. Now, is the latest measure by Pyongyang on that scale? Is it something on that scale? And how will this hit South Korean firms which had operations at the Kaesong Industrial Complex?
Well, I think the economic loss would be much higher than the 2013 Kumgang Mountain event. At that time, I think the Korean companies' economic loss, I think was almost $2 billion US dollars. Mm-hmm. And this time, I think it would be more than $3 billion, I think. So, all the facilities within the Kaesong complex, and also the commodity sales benefits, and also some of the production facilities, commodities left, and raw materials, all these kinds of things would be a huge economic loss to the companies.
So what can the South Korean government do to minimize the losses for South Korean firms?
I think what the South Korean government can do is to give emergency funds to the companies, maybe provide some insurance benefits to the companies, exempt some taxes from those companies, and also give some special loans to the companies, all that kind of measures. But I don't think these measures will be enough to pay back all the losses of those companies.
I mean, we cannot but wonder, what about North Korea? Does it think that it has nothing to lose from this? I'm sure it has much to lose from the suspension of the joint industrial park. What is North Korea's loss there?
Well, I think North Korea would be thinking of using all those facilities and workers for other purposes. I mean, think about it, the Kumgang Mountain cases, all the assets left in the Kumgang Mountain tourism area, they use it to bring all the Chinese and other foreign tourists to the Kumgang Mountain. So I think this time, maybe North Korea is thinking about using the facilities and workers at the Kaesong Complex area so that they can make some commodities and export to China or some other countries.
So make use of the equipment and everything left there, the infrastructure that South Korea built there. What does this mean for future inter-Korean relations? I mean, North Korea declared the Kaesong Industrial Park zone a military control area. It cut off all communication lines. Also, it blamed South Korea for the state of war. What's in the forecast?
We have 2 or 3 days afterwards. It's Kim Jong-il's birthday. In March, we will have U.S.-South Korea joint military exercises, full, eagle, and key resolve. April, it's Kim Il-sung's birthday. May, it's a party convention in North Korea. So I think all these series of events would signify that North Korea would continue very strong measures vis-a-vis South Korea and escalate the crisis in the Korean Peninsula. We can recall what happened in 2010, in which there were Cheonan Ship and Yeonpyeong Island artillery cases. At that time, two Koreas almost went into war. The crisis was very high. But next year, in January 2011, the United States and China had a summit meeting and emphasized that the stability and peace in the Korean Peninsula is very important. So maybe North Korea is thinking about that kind of pattern again. If North Korea escalates crisis, maybe afterwards the U.S. and South Korea would, hey, we can't tolerate anymore. We want a dialogue. But this time, unfortunately, the U.S. and South Korea is very determined. We will just push it forward and sanctions and pressures. So it's a chicken game now. I'm worrying about the future.
All right, Professor Kim Hyun-wook, thank you indeed for coming into our studio and speaking with us tonight.
Thank you very much.